Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Honey. Now, if you are an existing subscriber to my channel, I would like to welcome you back. However, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Honey. Now, I do luxury type of videos such as unboxings, reviews, and a little bit of vlogging here and there. So if those are the topics that you are interested in, I would really appreciate if you would please click on the subscribe button down below as well as the bell beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload any videos, which is actually every Saturdays. Now, maybe every now and then I may upload twice in a week, but that is actually contingent to my schedule for the week. Now, without further ado, let's start with this video. Now for this week, I'll be sharing with you what's in my bag, specifically my work bag. And I will be featuring to you my recent purchase, which is my Chanel Large Deauville Tote in mixed fiber, Lurex canvas, and gold hardware. Now, this one is fast going to my top 5 best luxury bags in my collection, and you will know the reason why, because it can contain actually my essentials and my non-essential things for work specifically. So let's start unraveling what's in my bag. So this is actually the main contents of my bag, and that's a lot of things for a work bag, but that's essentially my work bag. That's the reason why I love totes. And the organizer that I'm actually using is from AliExpress, okay? Which is, the size of this one is for Speedy 30. And then the reason why I haven't invested yet on a bag organizer from Samorga, the two main reasons for that one is, first, I don't know what bag organizer will fit this particular bag, and then the second one is Samorga organizers are really expensive. Now, so far, even though this is only from AliExpress, okay, a cheaper version of the Samorga organizer, I'm so happy with this one already because it can contain all of my things. It has perfect compartments for my items. Okay, and it's not that expensive. Now, I have yet to discover if this particular organizer would last long because I have used this one only for about 2 weeks, the same time as I use this particular bag. Anyway, before we start with the things contained in the bag organizer, okay, one thing that I'm actually carrying is over here in the zip pocket is my wallet. Now, this is the wallet that I'm currently using. This is the Chanel O-MISCELLANEOUS. I'm also going to be placing a card over here for the unboxing of this particular Chanel SLG. Now, over here you will see the cards that I usually use on a daily basis, and then I also have some cash here. Okay, and some other IDs that I still need but I don't use it on a daily basis. Okay, now apart from that one, I actually have here the authenticity card. Okay, the reason why I'm still bringing this authenticity card, okay, together with my bag is because I know myself, I usually lose the authenticity cards if it's not in the main luxury item per se. Okay. Now for this key holder, I'm not really using it, so it's just floating around. Okay, now let's focus on this particular thing. So the first one that I've got is, this is my Louis Vuitton agenda in the size, and this is actually very useful because it's actually for both for me and my daughter. For me, in terms of my to-do list, both work or personal, the schedules, what are my YouTube videos that I am going to film, etc., as well as gifts. So if you take a look into this one, I do have here my monthly, my weekly, my wish list. Yes, I do have a wish list there, YouTube, miscellaneous, and of course Christmas gifts. Okay, because I just like planning a lot. Okay, I'm an OC in terms of planning. And then over here, of course I do have a picture of myself, my daughter, and my husband, and this one is just for a marker. Now at the back, this is where I'm keeping some of the documents that I need. Okay, so I do have this. I carry this on a weekly basis, like, no, not even weekly. I carry this one like every day, most especially if I'm going to work. Now apart from that, okay, I do have here my keys. Now this is the Louis Vuitton 6-key holder in Dame Azur, and then it has my keys over here, my house keys, my desk keys, as well as my car key. Now this one, actually I got it pre-loved from a Japanese consignment store, so yes, pre-loved. The next one that I have it here in this particular compartment here is my hand sanitizer, which is already old. Not old, okay, it's already used, but it's almost gone. Okay, this is from Bench. Okay, the next one that I have is my cologne right now. Now I'm using this Victoria's Secret Bombshell Mist. Okay, just to spray myself, okay, to freshen up. In this compartment over here, I actually have two things. So the first one, this is like my sunglasses. Now I do have here, this is like a fashion file pouch, and then I actually repurposed this one, and as of the moment, this is where I'm keeping all of, this is the socket, or the plug, not socket, this is the plug for my phone. Here are my phone cables and my headphones, just placing it there for organization. And then over here I do have my comb. Over here definitely I have my Pilot pens. I just love this pens so much. Yes. Now over here I do have here, this is the for the gate of our apartment. And of course I do have this Lego. The reason why I chose this one is because it's honeybee, of course, honeybee. And then what else? Okay, I do have here my Tic Tacs. Okay, almost gone. Then of course I do have here my permanent tenant of my bags. Okay, this is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette in Dame Eben. So this is one of my oldest luxury items, and inside of it, okay, I do have lip products. So this one is the Revlon Balm Stain. Okay, this is in the shade Mystic Magenta 085. Okay, and this is, the color of this one is this. Okay, it's actually the one that I'm wearing in my lips right now. And then if you let me swatch it for you, so this is how it looks like, okay, in my complexion, and then here's it looks like on my lips. Now apart from that one, I do have this Sugar Petal, but I'm not really using this one much anymore, precisely because it's really melting. Okay, I need to throw this one. Let me throw that one. Okay, and of course I do have here my Kylie Velvet lipstick, and this is in the shade Commando. Okay, and then this is how I just like to have a lot of options in terms of lip products, because it depends on my mood. So that is a very neutral color. Now apart from that one, I do have my ointment. I also have another lip product. This is from Kylie Jenner again, and this is in the shade Shook. Okay, and this is more of a darker shade. Now if you've seen me in some of my previous videos with a darker shade lipstick, this is the one that I'm actually using. So there you go. It's like red with a little bit of brown. So this is Shook, this is Commando, and this is the Revlon one. These are both Kylie's. And then of course, there are times wherein I just don't want to wear any lipstick, just a plain lip balm. And then I do have here, this is the Givenchy lip balm, and this is in the shade BK01, and this one is so social. Look, oh, see, so cute packaged. And this is just non-colored lip balm. And then I'm not sure if you could see this one, but this one has some shiny specks, and you know me, and you know how I feel about shiny things. Not sure if you could see it, but okay, this one is the Givenchy lip balm. Again, in real life there is small specks of glitters in it. Okay, now the reason why I'm not really a fan of this one, or the reason why I bought this one first, is because the Dior lip glow is not available, so I need to have a lip balm. So I tried this one. So far I'm happy with it. Okay, however, the only con that I have for this one is it has that minty feeling to it, like it's cold or something. I don't want those types of lip balm. But anyway, since I purchased it, I need to consume it. Over here I do have some documents. Okay, the good thing about this particular organizer is, apart from these compartments that you have over here, okay, you also have compartments on the side of it wherein you could actually insert some of your documents. Here's the other side, a bigger one, and usually this is where I place, for example, receipts or any documents that I need to take home. And then the last one is actually my makeup pouch. This actually is with me already for about 5 to 6 years, and I'm still using this one. Anyway, here's the contents of it. See, now the one that I'm actually using right now is the Marc Jacobs foundation. This is the Marc Jacobs foundation, and I'm using the shade 32 or beige light, and this is how it looks like. Of course, I'm already wearing this one since this morning, so yeah, because of the perspiration, humidity, and everything like that, the effect of that one is, I think it's gone. I'm not sure. And then the next one that I have, this is a concealer from the Face Shop. Okay, so this one, I'm using this one first before my foundation. Okay, so this is how it looks like over here, just to hide my pimple marks. There is the stick option, and then you also have this liquid option, which is a little bit lighter. Yeah, okay, honestly I'm not really using this particular concealer anymore that much, precisely because this one has full coverage in it. But as I mentioned to you, because of the humidity and the heat over here in Qatar, foundation melted. Now for my brows, I'm using this BH Cosmetics Fabulous Brow Trio, and this is how it looks like. Yes, okay. Now for my lashes, the mascara that I'm using is this one. This is the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express, and then the reason why I love this one is precisely because the bristles, wait, it's not that big, it's small, so I could easily actually go into the corners without any issues. And then I also have here, this is my Huda Beauty Metal and Matte Melted Shadows. So this is in the shade Pink Champagne, okay, for the glittery part or the shiny part. And you know, see, I just love glittery and shiny things. And then of course on the matte side, this is in the shade Bubble Bath. Now for the eyeshadow, and this is the effect of it. Okay, so the matte is actually here. Can you see that? See, it's almost the same color as my In the camera, it seems that this one is almost the same color as my skin, but actually it's not. It's really a light pink. And of course, here is the pink champagne. And then here you go. Now over here, I do have as well my Cut 1D tattoo liner. Okay. I do have here my Max Factor Excess Intensity eyeliner as well, because usually for this one I use it on the upper part of my eye or on the lid. Now this one I actually use it on the bottom of the eye. I do have here this brush just in case I need it, and of course I do have some ointments. So those are the things that I carry on a daily basis in terms of my work bag. So yeah, here you go. Now you know why I just love this one. Now, another bag that I love is my Neverfull. However, now that I have this, I prefer this particular bag precisely because I can have two options for this. The hand carry as well as this through my shoulders, and I don't know, but I feel more comfortable in carrying this bag. So one of these days I will do a review of this particular bag. So yeah, that's about it for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions relating to this bag or to whatever products that I have mentioned, please leave a comment. Please leave your comments, your questions, your clarifications, etc. in the comment section down below, and I will try to answer you as much as I can and as fast as I can. Anyway, that's about it for this week, and yeah, see you on the next one. Bye!